Hello beautiful people and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of makeup lovers. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to the 48 PCS Makeup Sponge Blender Beauty Egg Cosmetic Puff. These sponges are an absolute game changer when it comes to flawless makeup application. The soft and delicate texture of these sponges makes them perfect for blending concealer cream, foundation powder, and blush seamlessly into your skin. They are designed to give you that airbrushed finish that we all crave. Made from high-quality latex material, these sponges are durable and can be used again and again. The set comes in a variety of colors, so you can choose your favorite or mix and match for a fun pop of color in your makeup routine. Whether you're a makeup beginner or a pro, these beauty tools are essential for achieving a professional look. They are easy to clean and maintain, making them a great investment for your beauty arsenal. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to streaky and uneven makeup and hello to flawless radiant skin with the 48 PCS Makeup Sponge Blender Beauty Egg Cosmetic Puff. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this must-have beauty tool. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and leave a comment to let us know which beauty product you'd like us to review next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.